Wheel doesn't want to come off. A little tricky. Reservoir lid off. I'm going to be moving some fluids around. A 1/2-inch bolt right here, another one on the bottom. Break them loose. Don't take them out just yet. I'll show you why. Got another one on the bottom. These are the only two you have to break loose. There's two bigger ones in there. Do not need to break those loose. However, pay attention to this right here. This is a bleeder valve. Now, you're gonna break this loose and then tighten it back up again. I'll show you why in a second. Trust me. That's what we're doing, is putting new brake pads on. So that means we're going to be pushing fluid back up in the reservoir, which is why I opened the cap up here. Now, the other thing you're going to want is a pair of clamps. Get those guys ready. Get the crowbar ready. You want to get everything ready for the next step. Alright, those bad boys come out. This bad boy comes out. Now, what's that magical number for you? 1/2 inch. Oh, people like to hear the size of it. Alright, those are out. Now, make life a little easier for yourself. Take your 10. Right here are your calipers. Those little shits need to go back in pretty much all the way so you can get the new pads on. Break this open. Take the crowbar that shit in. See the fluids fly out. I'm sure people have 20,000 different ways to do this shit. That's cool. This is my way. Alright, there's your caliper. This is going to be your line bleeder. Let's get him ready to go. That is a 3/8 for you people that like to hear the size of these things. Alright. This little joker slides off. These little bad boys come out. That's the outside one. The inside one. Pry little bastards out. Yeah, these were. I see a little bit of a rivet right here getting ready to show. Yeah, these are thin. You see the rivets on this one already showing. These came off the right side, passenger side. You see right side or left side. Left side's passenger side, right side. Or excuse me, left side's driver's side, right side's passenger side. Here's the replacements. Left side driver, outer. Outer goes to where the right here is where the outer one goes. No, I do not change these things out. I leave them in place. Just creating a headache for no reason. This is outer. This is inner. Inner one's a little trickier. Oh yeah. Always works better when you put it in, right? Oh well, hopefully someone gets a laugh out of it. Could all use a good laugh these days. God knows I can use a good laugh these days. Alright, now, tell me what you do. Let's take this thing, crush your little calipers back in, but send the fluid back up the line, up to the brake fluid reservoir, but it doesn't always happen like that. If it does, great. Well, your contingency plan is breaking this thing open. Your bleeder valve. So what's happening right now is that's pushing fluid back up into here. Okay. We got brake fluid coming out, which means